You know that moment when you give care to your skincare and it doesn't care? When you do skincare and your skin doesn't care? When you put your hard-earned money into skincare and it doesn't work? When you give yourself some time and say, you know what, I'm just gonna let my skin breathe, and it says, nah, sis, I'm not gonna do that. You, welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I'm Shukunono Bold, and today I have new products. I think in a year, guys, like I probably buy almost every product that is there. If you have tried applying apple cider vinegar on your face, you've tried to apply aloe on your face, you tried turmeric on your face, you tried applying sugar on your face, maize meal on your face, meat on your face, juice on your face, almost everything on your face. And if you've been googling a lot of things, how to treat your acne in one day, how to treat your problematic face in 2 minutes, also, you know, watching YouTubes on how to treat your face within 5 seconds, then I know how you feel, okay? You know the struggle, sis. You know the struggle. You know the struggle. Lately, as in like last month, I've been having breakouts that I've never in my life had. Last year I had a breakout, but it was not as bad. This year I even have like my neck, I even have like pimples around my neck, I have dryness around my neck and my chin. I have never ever in my life felt the pain in the itchiness that I felt. Like, guys, I even bought Vaseline for that matter. I bought glycerin and I would apply it on my face, but I would still be dry as hell. What's going on here? Like, Vaseline, glycerin is not working to moisturize my face. What the hell am I supposed to do with myself? So I decided to go to Clicks to get some products that I have researched on about. Alright, then I am going to Clicks to get some products that can heal my face, fortunately. So we're at Clicks, and the first thing that you have to do is to sanitize your hands. Guys, don't forget to keep safe and wear your masks. So walk, and keep on walking. Oh my god, y'all. So anyways, yep, I was just looking for products, and here is the aisle of products, guys. This is where the money goes. If you can check the uterine part, guys, it's even worse. So that is the section where the high-end products are, and then this is the section where it is better. This is where I got my products that I'm going to tell you guys about. So I was just picking up products that I researched on and did a lot of reviews, I mean, like, watch a lot of reviews on. So that is that, you guys. And yeah, okay, anyways, yes, Clicks product right here. And first thing that I am going in, I'm gonna show you guys this. I've used last year and I only used it for like 2 weeks or a week, and I stopped it because it was too intense on my face. But then most people are recommending it, and I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try again and let me stop being a crybaby. Okay, so the first product that I bought, it is this Benzac AC 5%. This one is the AC wash for the treatment of acne, and it looks something like that. And this baby retails for about $299.99. Yes, $299 to wash your face, guys. Like, I better have the fanciest face ever after this treatment, okay? I am not about to wash my face with a 300 rands product and still look the same. Now, so moving on to the next product. So the second product that I got is this, also it's by Benzac AC 5 gel for treatment of acne as well. This one is the water-based gel. It has instructions inside, so I'll see. I think it's just to apply. Just do another updated video on how these products are working on my face. So this product retails for $259.99, guys. Like, how do I stress about my face and stress about my finances? it doesn't make sense at all. Like, this is expensive. So another product that I bought, it is Benzodem Daily Facial Moisturizer. It's for oily to combination skin, and it looks something like this, you guys. And this product retails for $149.99. This is the cheapest product so far. And then so we move to the next product. So the next product that I got, it is this product here. It's by Cetaphil. It's the acne prone skin moisturizing lotion. I know I have the moisturizing lotion from the Benzodem, because the last time I used the product, when I had the smaller kit, I was drying. It was drying me a lot, so I decided to go in and buy the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. They didn't specify whether it's for oily or dry skin, but I just bought it because it's Cetaphil and people said, and it has acne prone skin on the cover, and I was like, let me just get it as well so that I do not crack my face, because my face is also dry. The Cetaphil product actually retails for $250. Either I'm a cheapskate or I'm broke, or these things are just expensive, like, hey. But anyways, guys, I'd rather pay than to have a very depressing moment, and it's just annoying, guys. Like, it's so depressing, and you just, you know, not confident enough. Y'all, I thought my video was still recording, but it wasn't. Another product that I picked up is this Garnier Skincare Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Blackhead. It's a wash, a scrub, and a mask, and I'm only interested in the wash and the mask. I do not scrub, you guys. So that retails for about $127.99. So you guys, I already have the pimple cream that I always use. If I didn't have it, it's one of the products that I would have bought, and I love the fact that it works wonders. I'm not sure how much it is now, but it's less than $150. I think that's the last time I bought it. Another product that I would have bought is this Dermopal moisturizing sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30. I know I can do better on the intensity of the sunscreen, but I love it because it doesn't give me white casts at all. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm breaking out due to my diet, due to the weather conditions, due to hormones, or what. I just have no idea, and I'm really scared to go to the doctors. But I don't know what's the underlying problem here, so I'm just gonna try to use this product first, and then I'll see what I'm gonna do. So these are all the products that I bought. Yes, there are a lot, but anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please support my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Trying to create a fun thumbnail. My ears is not that long, so I'm just gonna hook. Oh yeah, that's about it.